Hello my friends, today I bring you the most incredible recipe to strengthen the intestines and joints. Today we are going to embark on a gastronomic adventure full of flavor and powerful nutritional benefits. Get ready for an explosion of deliciousness while we take care of our bodies in a delicious way. Our recipe today features super ingredients like pumpkin seeds, flaxseed, honey and raisins, which are true heroes for gut and joint health. And best of all, it's easy and fun to make. Let's stir, mix and taste. Ingredients: 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, half a cup flax seeds, half a cup of honey, half a cup of raisins. Method of preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a baking dish, spread the pumpkin and flaxseed seeds and bake for about 10 minutes, or until they are lightly golden. This helps to release the seeds' natural oils and make them more digestible. Remove the pumpkin and flax seeds from the oven and let them cool. In a large bowl, combine the pumpkin seeds and flaxseed toast with the honey and raisins. Mix all the ingredients well until they are well incorporated. Transfer the mixture to a glass container with an airtight lid and store in a cool, dry place. You can consume this mixture daily by adding it to yogurts, smoothies, salads, or as a healthy snack on its own. This recipe is rich in fiber, omega-3, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, present in pumpkin and linseed seeds, which can help strengthen the intestine and joints. The honey adds a naturally sweet touch and the raisins add delicious flavor and more fiber to the mix. Remember to always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any specific health conditions. So, guys, what did you think of this powerful recipe for the intestines and joints? It turned out delicious, didn't it? Hope you had as much fun as I did on this healthy cooking adventure. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with all your friends and family. Let's help respect the power of food in a healthy and fun way around the world. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling us what you think of this recipe, and if you have any other healthy and tasty recipe suggestions you'd like me to make here on the channel. Until next time, folks. Thanks for watching.